What happens if I have a good product goal? A goal gives direction, focus. It allows us to focus on something we want to achieve. Now, this clear, actionable product goal really helps the teams to streamline their work uh, in the way they work, but also in the way they think about what they need to do, this cognitive alignment. And this will lead to sooner, faster, more precise outcomes. And if I work in a scaled environment where I have one product owner, several Scrum teams, we need also to align those teams that they can really pull into the same direction. And this really helps to align all the team efforts, bring it together, get good synergies between those teams working on that. Now, if we have this set up, the teams working together into the same direction, working really effectively, because we have also clear priorities about what needs to be done first, this will make sure our stakeholders, our users are happy, satisfied with what they see in the sprint review. And they will come to the sprint review, believe me, because now they see working product, which is really interesting for them, and they can ask questions, and they will also see the benefit or the options that they can actually influence the product. And this collaboration between the Scrum teams and stakeholders will lead to a streamlined decision making. So you would really move out of this project mindset into a product mindset, a product which you create iterative and incremental. Now, if all of this comes together, believe me, the people enjoy coming to work because it's hard work, but they see good product again and again. They see happy users, they see satisfied stakeholders. What more can you ask for? And all of this basically will really make sure all the energy, the money, the time, the ideas will really be funneled into the right direction through the focus we have. And this is the reason why having a good, very good product goal is so important.